Advanced Guide to Betterment Email Alerts. Introduction to Betterment Email Alerts is essential to understand how to manage and customize notifications to stay on top of your investments. Betterment is an online financial advisor that offers personalized investment management services and provides email alerts to keep users informed about their accounts. Step 1. Setting up email alerts. To set up email alerts, you need to log in to your Betterment account and navigate to the Settings section. From there you can choose the types of notifications you want to receive, such as low balance alerts or portfolio updates. Step 2. Customizing email alerts. Once you have set up your email alerts, you can customize them to fit your needs. You can choose to receive daily, weekly, or monthly updates and select the specific information you want to include in each alert. This can include account balances, investment returns, and market news. Step 3. Understanding email alert types. Betterment offers several types of email alerts, including low balance alerts, large withdrawal alerts, and portfolio update alerts. Low balance alerts notify you when your account balance falls below a certain threshold, while large withdrawal alerts inform you of any significant withdrawals from your account. Portfolio update alerts provide a summary of your investment portfolio, including any changes to your asset allocation. Step 4. Best practices for managing email alerts. To get the most out of Betterment email alerts, it is essential to manage them effectively. This includes regularly reviewing your email alerts to stay on top of your investments and adjusting your notification settings as needed. You should also consider setting up multiple email alerts to cover different aspects of your account, such as low balance alerts and portfolio updates. Conclusion. In conclusion, Betterment email alerts are a valuable tool for managing your investments and staying informed about your accounts. By following these steps and best practices, you can customize your email alerts to fit your needs and stay on top of your investments. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your email alerts will help you make the most of this feature and achieve your financial goals.